the 3 cable exercises you need to improve your pectus excavatum. When we're working out to improve pectus, there's really 3 main muscle groups we're trying to hit: the chest, the back, and the abs and the obliques specifically. And so these 3 exercises are all you really need to hit those muscle groups, and they're all in a cable machine. What they are is a cable fly, okay? There's lots of variations of a cable fly. My personal favorite in terms of simplicity, easy to do, easy to set up, is probably just a high to low cable fly. But there's so many variations of a cable fly you could implement. Low to high single arm from a mid position. I've got all these different cable variations that I utilize for my clients, but some kind of fly, because primarily to build the chest, adduction is amazing. And with the fly, you're getting adduction and pressing. They're like the 2 movement patterns that work the chest. And the cable's great because it creates so much eccentric tension, and so that's just going to create more muscle damage on the chest. And also, when most people are doing compound chest movements like a press or a push-up, they end up not really engaging their chest as well as they could because their triceps or shoulders take over. Where I find a fly, an isolation chest exercise, you're able to really isolate your chest and really feel it more. And that's really key for pectus, as well as you're able to really get those non-spanning chest fibers when you really focus on that full range of motion adduction, okay? So that way you're building your full chest sculpted around the indent. Now, you can also pair that then with a reverse cable fly, because a mistake people make when they train for pectus is they do heaps of chest but not enough back, and as a result their posture gets rounded forward, making their pectus look worse. So once you do the cable fly and you finish that off, you burn out your chest, then you can go into a reverse cable fly, and then you're going to kind of offset what you did in terms of the postural damage of training just the chest with the back, and focus on opening that up, strengthening your trap muscles, your rhomboids, your rear delts, muscles that are going to relate to being able for you to habitually be in a posture that's like this rather than like this, okay? So that's really important. And then the other element of pectus that's beyond the sunken chest, okay? And so the training the chest and the back is all about the sunken chest, but there's also the rib flare. And when it comes to rib flare, developing your pecs so they protrude more helps, but also developing your abs and your obliques so you're not just like skinny and bony with like these really protruding ribs and you actually have muscle there, really helps to disguise from that as well. And that was key for me. As a kid, I actually used to hate the rib flare more than the indent, and that really used to get me down. And then since I've built muscles like it's not changing the structure, it's just building muscle around it to disguise from it. And these cable wood choppers are amazing for really hitting your obliques and your core, which is a really important part for this as well. So 3 exercises, all you need. It's amazing for pectus. Give it a go. Hope you liked this video. Hope it was helpful. I do coach people as well, so if you're interested, links in the description to learn more about my coaching. You can book a call to personally meet me. I'll personally be your coach, and I can guide you through this transformation to overcome your pectus.